Hi, I'm Jim Pinson with Shasta Pools, and today we're going to talk about the phases of construction. Now, the first phase is the layout. The layout is an important part because that's when we actually paint the pool on the ground and give you a chance to look at it. Now, if you want to make any changes, that's the time to do it. The next phase is the excavation. That's when we actually come out and we excavate or dig the swimming pool. Now, you'll notice that it's just a reverse of the actual bottom of the swimming pool, because the excavation, depending on how deep you go and the steps, it will be a model of that. The next step is the actual plumbing and steel. That's when the heart of it begins. All the plumbing is put in first and then the steel reinforcing. The next step is the electrical. That's where the light is installed and all of the electrical back at the equipment area. Number 5 is shotcrete. Now that's when the real shape of the swimming pool starts to take place. Remember, that's 6 inches thick in the floors and walls, 8 inches thick in any stress and cove areas. Now, included in all of that shotcrete and all of our concrete products is a product called fiber mesh. Now, those are fiberglass pieces that are actually intertwined within the concrete itself. That way it increases that structural strength of that concrete. The next step would be decking. Now, decking can either be the next step or it would be tile, depending on what type of decking you choose. But after the decking, then the next step would be tile. Now, the tile is 6 inches of waterline. 3 inches of water is going to be above the tile and 3 inches will be below the water. The next step would be interior finish. Now, that's either a 1 or a 2-day process, depending on what type of interior finish you choose. If it's some of the stone interior, it would be a 2-day process. If it's a plaster, it's going to be a 1-day, and we'll fill it up with water at that point. And then the startup comes. The startup is a multiple step process because you have a mechanical orientation as well as a mechanical where the gentleman comes out and fires it all up for the first time. But then we come out and teach you how it all works.